Hello, my students. How are you? Grade 1. Today we'll solve model number 8 from المعاصر book. Final revision. First step. Okay. Look at with me about question number 1. Choose the correct answer. In the opposite figure, what is the value of x? We have exterior angles. The measure of the exterior angle equals 3x. 3x equals 70 plus x. 3x equals 70 plus x. We can find the value of x. Move x from right hand side to left hand side. In 3x minus x, it will be 2x equals 70, and then you can divide it by 2. Means the value of x equals 70 divided by 2 equals 35. Then the solution here about x will be 35. Questions number 2. If A equals set of 4 to 7 and B subset of A, so which of the following can represent set of B? We know 4 and 6 not subset from this set. And what about the subset? We have 7 and 2. Choose letter D about this example because we have 7 and 2. All elements here subset of the set which contains of 4, 2, and 7. Choose letter D because each element here, 7 and 2, lies in the set A subset. Okay, we must choose letter D. Questions number 3. A man reads 10 pegs in 10 minutes. We can comparing here between the number of pegs and the number of minutes. Okay, a man reads 10 pegs in 40 minutes, and he asked about what? How much time in hours? How much times in hours would it take her to read a book if 120 pegs? He want to convert from minutes to hours. So you must find the result and then convert from minute to hours divided by 60. First step, we can find the time, right? X here equal 40 product by 120 divided by 10. Cancel 0 by 0 here, and 4 times 120, right? 0 and 4 times 2 equal 8, 4 times 1 equal 4. Then she reads 120 pegs at 480 minutes. We can convert from minutes to hours by divided by 60. Then you can write 480 divided by 60. We can cancel 0 by 0 here, and 48 divided by 6 equal 8. Then she read at 8 hours. Read 120 pages at 8 hours. The result will be 8 hours. Choose letter A. Okay, we used here proportional, comparing between two ratios here. Read 10 pegs at 40 minutes. He asked about what is the time from minute to hours. She will read 120 pegs. So we can write 10 pegs over 40 minutes equivalent 120 pages over x hours. We have here a proportional. We know proportional is equality between two ratios or two ratios or more. Okay. Then the result will be 8 hours about question number 3. Now we will solve the question number 4, which shows the following chart. It doesn't show the actual values of data. We have histogram. The histogram contains of intervals. Like this, we have here intervals. Histogram. Okay, so we must choose letter B about this question. Why? Because if we have 5, it's the interval from 5 to 10, and here from 10 to 15, and this interval from 15 to 20, we haven't the information about the number like 7. 7 lies between 5 and 10. I don't know the frequency of the number 7 here in the table. What? Because we draw the intervals. Because histogram depend on the intervals, not depend on the digits. So it's impossible to find the frequency of the number 7. Okay, it's very difficult to find the image of 7 here. Okay, so which of the following charts doesn't show the actual value of the data? We must write histogram because histogram depends on the intervals. Next question number 5, the solution set in Z. We have 7 equal to product by x plus 3. We can solve this by dividing by 2 first step from left hand side and right hand side. 7 divided by 2, it will be 3.5, and 2 divided by 2, 1 times x plus 3, it will be x plus 3. And then move x here, then the value of x, it will be 3.5, subtract by 3, it will be 0.5. Okay, 0.5 here is the value of x, not belonging to integers, because if we want to find the result belonging to integers, so the solution set, it will be null set 5. So it shows letter D about this example. Okay, understood? Now we will complete next question. Number 6. Two complementary angles have the ratio 2 to 3, then the measure of the smaller angle is. We know complementary angles, it's meaning the sum of two numbers equal 90 degrees. Then we must put the first angle will be 2x and second angle it will be 3x, because the ratio between first and second 2 and 3. He gives us this information and tell us the two angles complementary. Complementary meaning the sum of two angles here it will be 90 degrees. Then 2x plus 3x equal 90 degrees. You can add to each other 5x, it will be 90. 2x plus 3x, and then we can divide it by 5 to find the value of x. X will be 90 divided by 5, it will be 18. So the two angles will be 2x, put x here equal 18. 18 times 2, it will be 36. Then the first angle, it will be 36 degree, and second angle 3 times 18, it will be 51. Sorry, 3 times 8, 24. Right, 4 and carry up to 1 times 3, 3 times 2, 5, 54 degrees. Okay, if we add together, the sum will be 90 degrees, then 36 complement this angle 54 degrees, because the sum of them equal 90 degrees. He wants what? He wants the smaller angle. The smaller angles here, it will be 36 degrees. So the solution here, 36. We must choose letter B about this example, okay? Next question here. Number 7, in the opposite figure, what is the value of x? We have commutative angle. Commutative angles, some of them equal 360, because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 angles cumulative at the point x. Then sum of all axial angles there equal 360. To solve this question number 7, you must find the value of x. Write 360, subtract the sum of all angles. We have 100 degree, 20, 35, and 90, last one. To find the value of x using your calculator, to write the result, write 360 in here, subtract and on parentheses, write 100 plus 20 plus 35 plus 90. It's all angles, then the result will be 115. It's the measure of angle x, 115 degree. And what about question here? Which of the following equals 5a? Number 1, about the second group, we have here the value of 5a, it will be 2a plus 3a. Choose letter C. 2a plus 3a equal 5a. Choose letter C. Question number 2, if negative 5 over 12 subtract by negative 7 over 6 equal 1 over 6 plus x. You want to find the value of x. Okay, I will solve this equation here. We have negative 5 over 12 subtract by negative 7 over 6 equal 1 over 6 plus x. First step, we can find the result here by write the least common multiplication between 6 and 12. 6 can be 12 by product by 2 numerator and denominator. Okay, then we can write negative 5 over 12, and negative times negative, it will be positive. And then 2 times 6, it will be 12. 2 times 7 equal 14. And here, 2 times 6, it will be 12. 2 times 1 equal 2. And then 14 minus 7, or 14 plus negative 5, it will be 9, equal 2 over 12 plus x. We must move 2 over 12 to left hand side to find the value of x. Write 9 over 12 subtract by 2 over 12. This is the difference between them. 9 minus 2, it will be 7. Then the result will be 7 over 12. Choose letter E about this example. Okay, understood? Next question. If the ratio of Ahmed's and Mustafa's shares of the profits in the business is 2 and 3, and Ahmed shares 6,000 pounds, what is the Mustafa share? We have the ratio between two persons, Ahmed and Mustafa. Okay, he won't find what Ahmed or what Mustafa shares. He gives the ratio between Ahmed and Mustafa 2 and 3. Okay, we can write 2 and 3, the ratio between what Ahmed paid and Mustafa paid. The ratio between them 2 and 3. And Ahmed's share is 6,000. Write 6,000 here under Ahmed and write M here reverse to what Mustafa shares. We can find what Mustafa shares by using the productive streams, the equal productive means, and M will be equal 3 product by 6,000 over 2. Then M equal, we have 6 divided by 2 equal 3, then 3,000 times 3, it will be 9,000. Then Mustafa shares 9,000 Egyptian lira. Okay, choose letter C. Next question here. We want find the value of measure of angle B. We have cumulative angles here. 3 angles drawing at the same point M, the vertical. 3 angles M. And we have here MD and the ray MC. And the ray here is the line segment MB. And BA was parallel to MD. They are parallel. Okay. First step, we must find the measure of angle DMB. And then you can write the measure of angle B by write 180 subtract the measure of angle M. Because M and B, we called it angles here supplementist, two angles supplementist, because M and B in the same side of transversal MB, transversal of two straight line MD and MB, and MB transversal of them, then the measure of angle M plus measure of angle B equal 180 degree. First step, we can find measure of angle DMB by right 360 subtract the sum of all angles here. We have 120 and 90. Then we can write 360 subtract by the sum of them 9 plus 2 11, 1 and the carry of 1, 1 plus 1 2. Then the result will be write 0 and 6 minus 1 5 and 3 minus 2 1. And the measure of this angle will be 150 degree. And then such that we have the ray MD parallel to the ray BA and MP straight line MB transversal of them. Then meaning the measure of angle B equal 180 subtract by 150 equal 30 degree. Then this angle, the measure of this angle, it will be 30 degree. Okay, understood? So, next question now, I will solve questions number 5. Okay, my students, understood this example? First step, find this angle and subtract 150 from 980. The result of angle B equal 30 degree. Next question number 5. The measure of an interior angle of regular hexagon. Hexagon, its meaning what he asked about the measure of interior angle. We can write n subtract by 2 product by 180 over n. We have hexagon, its meaning regular hexagon, its meaning has the hexagon has 6 sides equal lengths like this 1 2 3 4 5 6. It's a hexagon. He wants to find the interior angle of hexagon, which is the hexagon was regular. Regularity meaning all sides are equal in lengths and all angles equal in the measure. In the measure of each one, it will be n minus 2 product 180, right? N equals 6. 6 minus 2, 4. 4 times 180, 720 divided by 6. The measure of each angle, it will be 120 degree about a regular hexagon. Choose letter B. Next question, number 6. A parallelogram in which diagonals are equal in length, it will be rhombus. Rhombus, all sides are equal in lengths. But he asked about what? Two diagonal. Okay, two diagonal, not sides. If he tell me that all sides are equal in length, we must write rhombus. But in this example, it tells us the two diagonals are equal in lengths. So we must choose rectangle. Rectangle is parallelogram which two diagonals are equal in lengths. And the measure of each angle equal 90 degrees. Okay, we must write rectangle about question number 6 because it tells us parallelogram which diagonals are equal in lengths. We must choose rectangle. Okay, two diagonals equal length in rectangle. In question number 6, choose letter B. Question number 7. Ziad is now X years old and 7 years ago was 18. Its meaning X subtract by 7 equal 18. So the age X minus 7 equal 18. Its relation tell me the age of Ziad from 7 years ago. X subtract by 7 equal 18. We can choose letter D. Third question here, number 1. Answer the following. The price of mobile phone is in the store 12,750 Egyptian lira and its price reduced by 8%. What will be the price after discount? Okay. In this example, we can write the ratio between before discount and after discount. Okay, my students, there is a table before discount, after discount. Before discount, the percentage was 100%. And it tells us the discount was 8%. So we can find the difference between 100 and 8. It will be what? It will be 92%. And then it tells us the price of phone before discount was 12,750 Egyptian lira. We won't find the discount of the phone. You won't find the price after discount. The price of phone after discount here, put X. Okay, we comparing between before discount and after discount. Write X here, and then find the value of X. Write the rules. The product of extremes equal product of means. Write 92 product by 12,750 over 100. Then you can find the value of X here. 92 product by 12,750 divided by 100. Then the price will be 11,730 after discount. Okay, you won't find what is the price after discount. It will be 11,730 Egyptian lira. Okay, it was question number 1. Now question number 2. A football field is rectangular in shape and its length 15 meters, less than twice its width. Okay, we have here a football. This example, football field, rectangular shape, and its length is 15 meters, less than twice its width. If we put the width x, then the length will be twice the width subtract by 15. Why? Because he tells us the length here. Look at here. Its length 15 meters, less than twice its width. Put the width x is the example. Put the length of width x and the length equal twice the width and then subtract by 15 because he tells us in the example the length, its length is 15 meters less than twice its width. 15. Pay attention here. 15 meters here less than twice width. So the length will be 2x minus 15. So we have length and width. Okay, complete with me the example. He gives us its parameter 330. We know the parameter equal twice length plus width. Then the parameter here is the example 330 equal twice the length here 2x minus 15 and the width was x. And then we can solve this equation by dividing the coefficient of these brackets here divided by 2 here and divided by 2. To simplify it, 330 divided by 2, it will be what? 3 divided by 2, 1, and the remainder 1, 13 divided by 2 equals 6, and the remainder 1, 10 divided by 2, 5. Okay, and then we can write 2x plus x, it will be 3x minus 15. Move negative 15 to left hand side, and then add 165 plus 15. The result will be 180. Okay, negative will be going here positive. Okay, 180 equal 3x. To find the value of x, you must divide the coefficient of x. Then the value of x here equals 60. Then the width here will be 60. We want to find the length. Okay, we get here the width 60 meter, and we can find the length. Put x equals 60 here. 2 product by 60 subtract by 15. 2 product by 60 subtract by 15. Then the length equal 2 times 60, 120 subtract by 15. Then the length equal 120 subtract by 15. It will be 105. Okay, we have length and width. Then you can find the area. Okay, here you want to find only length and width. Then the length will be 105 meter and the width 60 meter. If you want to find the area, you must find the product between length and width, because area equal length product by width by rectangle. Question number 3. The table shows the weight of 42 students in the class in kilogram. Find the mean weight of the students. Okay, we can do the table about x and frequency, and then find the product between f and x, and write x bar equals summation of f dot x over summation of frequency. Look at with me about steps here. First step, I will write here x, seats and frequency, and f dot x. Okay, look at with me about x and f as the product between two numbers. Okay, we have 120. No, we have here 40 times 3, 120. Okay, write 40 product by 3 equal 120. And x was 42 product by 6, 252. 43 product by 4, 172. 45 product by 9 will be 405. And 46 product by 7, 322. 48 product by 4, 192. 49 times 4, 196. 50 product by 3, it will be 150. And 51 product by 2, 102. And then we must add all numbers here. Find the sum of x of f, it will be 42, and sum of f dot x using calculator. The result will be 1911. And then you can write the rule here, x bar equal summation of f product by x over summation of x. We have here 1911 over 42. The result will be 45 and half. Okay, the x bar. Okay, the value will be 45 and half. Next question here, number 4. Given A and B, find the coordinate of the points that divide EB into 4 equal parts. Okay, look at with me about steps here. We have line segment A and B. First step, put M in the middle of A and B. We can find the order of M by using the rule. We have A was -7 and 13, and point B 3 and 5. We can find the order of M by write 3 plus -7 divided by 2, -7 plus 3, -4 divided by 2, it will be -2. And we have here 13 plus 5 equal 18. 18 divided by 2, it will be 9. Then the result will be -2 and 9. It's a midpoint between M and B. Put this point L. Okay, put the point L, the midpoint between M and B. And then find the rule. 3 plus -2 will be 1. 1 over 2 will be half. And 5 plus 3, 9, 5 plus 9, 14. 14 divided by 2, 7. Opposite point K lies between M and A. -7 and -2, -9. -9 over 2. And 9 plus 13 will be 21. 21 divided by 2. 22, sorry, 22, okay. 22 divided by 2. Then the order of k, it will be negative 4.5 and 11. Last question here. Look at with me about last question. Number 5. In the opposite figure, you want to find the measure of angle HEL. Okay, this angle HEL included between two angles. The first angle lies in hexagon or pentagon. We have what? We have octagon. Okay, it's octagon and the pentagon. Octagon is meaning the side length is the number of it was 8. We called it octagon. Okay. Understood, my students? In this example, we must find the measure of angle HEB. I will draw smaller angles here, smaller part of this drawing, this angle and this angle. Okay. We have here P. Look at here P A H. We can find the measure of angle BAH and measure of angle LAB, and then find the difference between them to find this angle. First step, we have octagon, okay, such that write E, B, C, D, E, F, G, H is a octagon, is an octagon. We have an octagon. Okay, we have an octagon. Octagon's meaning has 8 sides, and it's regular octagon. Is a regular octagon. What it means this information in the example, we have a regular octagon. A regular octagon. Okay. What about regular octagon? Its meaning all sides equal lengths and the measure of all angles equality. We can find the measure of each angle of octagon, like measure of angle AAHAB by using the rule. The rule tells us write n subtract by 2 product by 180 divided by n. In here, reverse to the number of sides. Put n equal 8. Then 8 minus 2 product by 180 over 8. You can find the result by using calculator. It will be 135 degrees. Okay, it's the first step. And next step, you can write a pentagon. We have a regular pentagon like that. We have ABMTL is a regular pentagon. It's a regular what? Pentagon. You can find the angle LAP, the measure of angle LAP. Write the rule. 5 minus 2, which is the rule here. 5 minus 2 product by 180 divided by 5. The result will be 180 degrees. Okay. Then we have two angles. We can find this angle by the difference between them. Then the measure of angle HEL equal the difference between 135 and 108. The result will be 27 degrees. Understood this example?